The summer season for the pet birds is hard to combat. In natural and open atmosphere, birds can adjust themselves in trees, shades and natural holes in the trunks. They have open water resources to drink and take the bath. But when we keep the birds in home or in an aviary, birds are deprived of nature. They have to face hot temperatures, severe humidity, and lack of proper, natural food. The problems are faced in severe when the pet birds are kept in the cages placed in homes at terrace or in rooms. To keep in cool atmosphere, one has to install air conditioner or air cooler with controlled temperature systems. However, mostly people can't afford these luxuries for their pet birds. What they can do is to change the place with adjustable conditions. Cover the cages with wet tarpal sheet or simple cloth sheet. Better is that you place the cages aside of sunlight and hang tarpal sheet on a rope so that air waves may move to keep the atmosphere fresh. In summer season, birds can't incubate their eggs in dry, hot conditions. Spray eggs with normal take water very lightly. Keep in mind never wet the eggs. Most of the birds come out of nest box due to high temperatures, leaving eggs in abeyance, or if eggs are hatched out, parents don't feed newly born chicks too hot. Sometimes, newly born chicks are bitten by ants as newly born chick is lazy in move. Parent birds can keep ants away from the chick, and they come out of the box helplessly. So, mix anti-ant powder and sprinkle it in nesting material. Better is take out the boxes in the months of June to the mid of the September. Chicks them again at the end of September. At night, the tarpal sheet be turned up from the front of the nest boxes for the fresh cool air.